Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthy. This week, a good buddy of mine gave me this four-wheeler carburetor, and I'm going to turn it into a lamp. Let's check it out. So I started out just by disassembling the bottom half of this carburetor and taking out the insides, so I'll have something clean and smooth to run wire through. Here I'm just cutting up a scrap chunk of wood that I'll use as the base for this lamp. With that cut out the way I wanted it, here I'm just setting the carburetor on it and marking out where I want it to sit, along with some lines that I'll power carve out in a second. Here I'm just using an angle grinder and a wood carving wheel to carve out a design in this wood base. After I get the rough design carved out on this piece of wood, I can move on to sanding it down smooth. And while I'm sanding this, now would be a good time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now here I am just drilling out a hole in the wood base to run wire through, as well as a smaller hole off to the side for the rotary switch. Now with the base all done, I can move on to the carburetor. Here I'm just using an industrial pipe to make a 90-degree angle so the light bulb will stay straight up. Now I tried to force this on and that didn't really work. So here I am taking the Dremel to grind down the excess metal on this carburetor. Once I ground it down enough, I could force this pipe on and it fit perfectly. I attached the carburetor to the base off camera, and I noticed that the industrial pipe was too wide for the candelabra base to really sit right, so I ended up having to laser cut out some wooden spacers to go around the candelabra base and hold it into that pipe just right. Here I'm just mixing up some 2-part epoxy to put on the wood spacers I just laser cut out. After putting this on, it set down into that industrial pipe just right and held really well. With all my wires ran, now I can just solder up the lamp cord that will go to the wall. Screw in a bulb after that. Check to see that it works. Now I just put on the air filter lampshade. This lampshade gives it a cool amber glow, and I'm really happy with this lamp. Thank you all for watching. Leave me some comments, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it's good to see you too. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I was just hanging out the other day, but good to see your kids playing in the background. Oh, hey, just sitting here on a Zoom call with this carburetor lamp you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So y'all go out and have a great day. Go try and make something awesome. Yeah, we'll hopefully hang out soon. All right, well, you have a great day.